Guys, I received gifts. So, one by one. From the smallest to the biggest. Okay. Tita Erin from Charles and Mikay. Keep natin to kasi sayang naman kung tatapon to. You can use it again. Wow naman!
Oh my Lord! Thank you! Hanap ako ng hanap dito.
Rosa Porphyria. Let's open this one. What is this?
Ma'am, una lang yun na, ma'am. Thank you!
Oh, it's a perfume.
Sure, isa lang daw.
Oh, nice. Nice. Nice smell. Nice smell. Nice smell. Ay, naku, pasensya nyo. Ano lang yan?
Uy, ba't hindi mo binigay earlier from
Hindi, may smell siya. May scent siya.
Paper bag na, paper bag! Paper wrapper, save the world.
Kay Mother Earth.
Thank you.
Okay.
Paper bag, go.
Oh, this is from Jane. Oh, this is from Jane. Ay, oo nga. Ay, Sai! Thank you so much, guys! Another collection of bag coach. Thank you, Jay! Ang ganda.
Ay, order in life, daughter.
Oh, yung ganda. Nice, 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 nice.
Mama. Di pwede na kumagkuhan.
Babawi kami sa susunod. Kasi hindi namin alam na ganito pala dito.
Bakit ulistahan ng utang? Bakit ano yan?
Next will be from Jane again. Thank you so much.
Pera! Oh, come on!
Calling card?
Calling card!
Calling card? Ay, 500!
Ano to?
Gift check.
Gift certificate! Oh! For massage and all. Massage and ready. Another pera! Oh! Dami massage.
Thank you so much! Oh my God! Daddy! Guys, I have coats, rubber shoes. Ay, ang ganda coach! Ang ganda! Guys, this is my long time favorite to have it. Finally, I got it. So, ganyan siya ng bag ko. Ay, ang ganda! Thank you so much! Sa'yo, patingin nga. Oh, nice!
Thank you! More than
Merry Christmas!